Welcome to Scented Palette. Today we are going to make vegetable soup, which is indeed the most simplest recipe that you can ever come across. The ingredients are in front of you. You can see that the vegetables are not in any particular shape or size. It really depends on your preference. You can add any vegetables that you like. I'm using the ones that I already have with me. Add all the vegetables together. Add water till 1 inch above the vegetables after they are submerged. Cover it and let it turn into vegetable stock. When onions become translucent, add 1 chicken bouillon. When the hardest of the vegetables is cooked, it is time to add the seasoning. In this case, the peas are the hardest and they are easily smushed when pressed slightly. So let's add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce and 1 shallow tablespoon of salt. Season with crushed black and white pepper mix. And let it simmer for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, remove the onions. Give it one final taste test, garnish with green onions and serve. Watch and subscribe to my channel on YouTube and Instagram for more recipes. Thanks for watching.